Welcome to our programming channel. Today we are going to see order by clause in SQL. Select statement returns records from a table. Those records are not in sorted order. So to sort the records or the result in a particular order or to sort the result according to our requirement, order by clause is used. Database is order by DB and table is cold drink, and columns of table cold drink are ID, brand, cold drink name, quantity, unit, price, and container. And these are the records. Select star from cold drink. So after executing, we get this result. We get all the records from table cold drink, and we can see these records are not sorted. ID is sorted in ascending order from 1 to 10, but column brand is not sorted in ascending or descending order. The result can be sorted in ascending or descending order using order by clause. To sort the result in ascending order, we can use the keyword ASC and the keyword DESC to sort in descending order. Syntax is: select star from table name, order by column name, ASC or DESC. When we are sorting one column at that time, this is the syntax for order by clause. But we can sort more than one column also. In that case, syntax will be: select star from table name, order by column name 1, ASC or DESC, comma, column name 2, ASC or DESC. Here we are sorting two columns. So in this way we can sort first column in ascending or descending order, then comma, then we can sort second column in ascending or descending order. So in this way we can sort more than one columns also. So this is the syntax when we are sorting two columns or we are sorting more than one columns. Sometimes it becomes necessary to display this result sorted according to particular column in ascending or descending order. The column may be brand or cold drink name or quantity or unit or price or container. There may be any column. So to sort this result according to particular column or according to our requirement in ascending or descending order, we have to use order by clause in select query. Select star from cold drink. Here order by clause or order by keyword. Then column name. We want to sort the result according to column brand. So here brand, and we want to sort the result in ascending order. So here keyword ASC, and if we execute the query, we get this result. Now the result is sorted according to column brand in ascending order. First record is started from 7 up and last record is thumbs up. So this is the result after select query, and this is the result after using order by clause. So here we cannot see any sorting. So here we can see Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola. After sorting we can see 7 up, then Coca-Cola, one after other. Last record is thumbs up, and we can see this column is sorted, but whole row is sorted according to this column. So we get the whole result sorted according to brand name in ascending order. Till now we have sorted the column in ascending order. Now we will sort the columns in descending order. So for that we have to use keyword DESC for descending order. Now we can see column brand is sorted in descending order, and we get the whole result according to this. By default, the order by keyword sorts the data in ascending order. For sorting in descending order, we have to give DESC keyword compulsory. If we don't give any keyword after column, we have used order by clause here, but we are not giving any keyword DESC or keyword ASC. If we execute the query, we can see the result is sorted in ascending order. So when we use keyword ASC for sorting the records in ascending order, then we get this result. So here we have used ASC keyword for ascending, and here we have not used any keyword. So here in both the cases we get same result. First record is 7 up and last record is thumbs up. First record is 7 up and last record is thumbs up. So both the results are same. So when we do not use any keyword, then by default the sorting is in ascending order. But here order by clause is necessary. We can sort any column in the table in ascending or descending order. We can sort result according to any column in ascending order. So now we can see price of first record 21 and price of last record 90. And also we can sort price column in descending order. So after executing the query, we can see price of first record is 90 and price of last record is 21. Thus, we can sort any column in the table in ascending or descending order with order by clause. We can sort one or more columns with order by clause. Select star from code ring, order by brand ascending, and this is the result of this query. Here we have used order by clause and sorted column brand in ascending order. So now column brand is sorted in ascending order. But here we can see Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola 3 times. But here we can see price 21, then price 31.68 and then 27.72. And we want to sort this column also. So here comma, then price ascending. So ASC. And now if we execute, now here we can see Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, and here we can see 21, 27, 31. So now price is also sorted with brand. Thus, we can sort two or more than one column with order by clause. That's all for order by clause in SQL. In our channel, there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching.